interested in making money by writing children's books in just 3 easy steps using 3 free AI tools? I'm going to show you how to make free storybooks in this video so that you may get passive revenue in just 10 minutes. The first step is to head to ChatGPT and start by greeting the chatbot. This may help you with the results. Then ask the chatbot to give you 5 different storybooks for kids. Choose the one you liked the most. I will pick this one, then ask the chatbot to write you the chapters for the story you pick. Now here you go. The chatbot has provided you with the chapters, and in just a minute we get a short story that contains a few chapters. Now for image generation, merely visit leonardo.ai. So once you've arrived there, to make a logo and pictures for your tale, head to leonardo.com. Then on the left here, click on AI image generation. Then scroll down and choose 1:1 ratio, and I will tell you why at the end of this video. Now type in your story name for the cover book and click on generate. It will give you 4 pictures, and if you want more or less, click on the left. You may choose the number of images you want to generate your tale images. So now you can just see my images already. I can just simply save whatever image I like. You can save the image you liked for your story. What's nice about this image generating website is that every 3 hours it renews the tokens. So every 3 hours you will have 150 tokens only. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. Keep watching to make a passive amount of money. Then I'll go back to ChatGPT to copy chapter 1 so I can make pictures from it. Return to Leonardo now, paste the first chapter's narrative there, and make sure the prompt is properly like I did here, so that Leonardo can understand the kind of images you desire. Therefore, since it has produced a variety of card images for you, we may safely assume that we are speaking about the character in your tale, so when we provide the command, it will be accurate so you don't lose tokens. In order to generate the photos we need, we must then click on the Generate buttons. The photographs we wanted are therefore exactly here. Decide the image you want to download by doing so right now, as we did in the previous steps. Return to the chart GPT after that, copy your chapter there, and then paste it into the leonardo.ai command. I'll accomplish that here by pasting my context for chapter 2. In order to generate the images for the tale, I will just click the generate button. So here are my photos. I will now just easily download the type of image I want. Repeat these simple steps for the entire chapters. Now, to create the kids' storybook, go to Google and search for Canva. So by visiting canva.com, sign up with your email, and to sign up for free, you'll find the links in the description below. Hold on folks, awesome news. We've got 2 incredible YouTube courses to kickstart your own business with passive income. From starting your own YouTube business channel from scratch, and you'll start earning thousands of dollars. So don't miss it out. Check out the links in the description below to enroll and change your life forever. Let's achieve financial success together. Back to Canva. On the homepage for Canva, you will find a search bar, type in Storybook and click on. A lot of templates will pop up for you as you can see, but we'll click here on Create a Blank Storybook. Afterwards, on the very left side of the page, you will find a lot of categories. Click on Upload, then one more time hit Upload, then select all the images you have downloaded from leonardo.ai once they're uploaded to your canvas. Drag the first picture which we picked for your tail cover and click on the 3 dots here, and now click on Set as a background. That is the reason we picked 1:1 ratio, so it fits perfectly. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy your tail title, then back to Canva to paste the title over here. Now from this tab bar, change the color and the effect. I will pick this one. I feel it's clear for kids. Then click on Effects, scroll down a little and choose the background, then fix the background effects by choosing a color and even by lowering its roundness, and lower the transparency to 50, or it depends on your image as you like. Now back to ChatGPT to copy the introduction the chatbot gave us. Back to Canva again, drag the introduction picture you picked, then paste the text and make the text edits again by adding background from the Effects tab and changing the color and making it clear and changing the font size. Also, you may place the test at the bottom or top or at the center. Now open your ChatGPT tab once again to copy the chapter 1 text for your tale. Now back to canva.com again, and once again drag the chapter 1 image you have generated from leonardo.ai and set it as the background by clicking on the 3 dots or by clicking on the right click on your mouse. Then paste the text for chapter 1 and make your edits again from the font size to the font, color to the background color and transparency level of it, and also you may change the roundness and the spread of the background as well. And now repeat the same simple steps for the entire chapters. Now let's have a look on the story we did. That is pretty amazing. Now on the right corner, click on this icon, then pick the PDF format so it will be uploaded as a PDF file. Finally hit download. And here you go, look at how pretty it looks. Now that you've created an account, you may sell your photographs by going to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Upload your tale, after which you should give it a title and a description. You can make a lot of money from this if you submit your book's URL files there, decide on a price, then just publish and sell your book. And surely you will find all the links in the description box down below. Hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up for more videos. You can see the previous videos by clicking here or here. Thanks for watching.